Have you ever thought that upgrading to a new iPhone means spending even more than last year? Well, if the latest report is right, the iPhone 17 series could push prices higher than ever before, and some of these numbers might shock you. So, here's what's happening. Apple is preparing for models this year: the regular iPhone 17, the all-new iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But unlike before, only one of them, the basic iPhone 17, is expected to keep the same starting price as last year. Everything else, it's going up. According to a new TrendForce report, the iPhone 17 Pro might start at $1,199 for the base 256GB model. For context, the iPhone 16 Pro started at $999 with 128GB storage. That's not just a bump, that's a whole $200 jump, and it doesn't stop there. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could start at $1,299, again with 256GB storage, which is a full $100 higher than the cheapest iPhone 16 Pro Max from last year. But the real surprise might be the iPhone 17 Air. This is Apple's first ever Air model, and while it's expected to be ultra-thin and stylish, the pricing feels heavy. Reports say it'll start at $1,099 for 256GB storage. Compare that with the iPhone 16 Plus, which started at $899, and you can see why many people may think twice before picking the Air. Here's a quick breakdown of the rumored pricing. iPhone 17, still at $799 for 1 to 8GB phone. 17 Air, from $1,099 to phone. 17 Pro, from $1,199 to phone. 17 Pro Max, from $1,299. And yes, the higher tier storage options push these prices even further, going up to nearly $1,700 for the 1TB iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's basically laptop money. Now, the big question is, will people still buy them? Surprisingly, analysts think yes. In fact, even with these higher prices, Apple's iPhone 17 family is expected to be more popular than the iPhone 16 series, with sales growing by about 3.5% worldwide. The main drivers, you guessed it, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Of course, Apple isn't just raising prices for no reason. The Pro models are expected to bring the new A19 Pro chip, improved camera systems with better zoom and image clarity, and 12GB of RAM. Meanwhile, the regular iPhone 17 will actually have 2 rear cameras, compared to just one on the thinner Air model. So in terms of pure value, the entry-level iPhone 17 might end up being the smarter choice for a lot of people. Think about it. You'd pay $799 for an iPhone 17 that has a dual camera setup and solid performance, while spending hundreds more on the iPhone 17 Air. Gets you fewer cameras, but a slimmer body. That's the trade-off Apple is setting up this year: style versus substance. So, the bottom line is this: the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be Apple's most expensive yet, but at the same time, it could also become one of the most successful. The regular iPhone 17 looks like the best deal on paper, while the Air might turn into the least practical choice unless you really care about thinness. The Pro and Pro Max, though, will likely dominate sales thanks to their performance and camera upgrades. Even at these higher price points, what do you think? Are these price hikes justified, or is Apple pushing things too far this time? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates.